remember long nights in the prison cell. That's why I say fuck the devils and I give them hell. They wanna try and buy my soul just to flip a sale. Shove us all into a box so they could rip the mail. Part of the problem is our government was fixed to fail. We need to lift the veil off hate, but that ship is sailed. Death is so thick in the air that you can sniff the smell. The city's rotten just like Gotham with no Christian Bale. Kids are forgotten, quickly dropping from the temper scale. We try to make it out, but not too many live to tell. Just like a quarter, dreams are tossed into a wishing well. Everybody got a bag, somehow the chips are stale. Young thugs got no grammar, but equipped with shells. I bet you if they cock a hammer, couldn't hit a nail. Little Chippendales, quick to stick they dick in wells. Shower these infidels with holy water Zinfandel. Hey yo, the system wants to lock a nigga down, but I'm a king, so best believe that I'ma get my crown. I'm all about my paper, baby, I don't play around. I want my niggas to make it out this bitch safe and sound. Hey yo, the system wants to lock a nigga down, but I'm a king, so best believe that I'ma get my crown. I'm all about my paper, baby, I don't play around. I want my niggas to make it out this bitch safe and sound.
The provider of fire dialogue, the verbal dope so dope that you can tie your arm and shoot a firearm. It liars if they lying on the movement. No plan B, my G. We relying on this music. We study scrolls, the knowledge older than the ancient ruin. We fuck these hoes and spit these flows to leave a phony ruin. Y'all funny folks, y'all got me slow, but people, we got the blueprint. Used to be the cop and ghost, so y'all just cop my new shit. More ruckus, found some cornballs, now that's not conducive. Blunt objects smash your facial, then I left you toothless. I stepped up and out of it, then I left the pool lit. If the shoe fits to wear it, I go ruthless on these scoops if they giving it interference. This sin is careless, always seen through the smoke and mirrors. Sipping the rap, a couple of stoves on the open terrace. My opal's clearer, I'm so sincere. When we hit the top, I really hope you there.
Yo, the system wants to lock a nigga down, but I'm a king, so best believe that I'ma get my crown. I'm all about my paper, baby, I don't play around. I want my niggas to make it out this bitch safe and sound. Hey yo, the system wants to lock a nigga down, but I'm a king, so best believe that I'ma get my crown. I'm all about my paper, baby, I don't play around. I want my niggas to make it out this bitch safe and sound.